Alright guys, welcome. Why am I getting so nervous doing this? Okay, so today, hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Farhan, and today's episode I'm actually going to be removing the subframe and all the front suspension too as well. I'm also planning to replace the bushings and also the ball joint on that. Try to keep everything new and OEM as possible for now until I get the car back on the ground. Also trying to get some time to remove the front sub harness just so I have a clear space enough to prep the engine bay, just so I can get that painted. This also alternate to the undercarriage that I've been working on since way back a few months ago. It's kind of off and on between among other priorities. It will be my first time doing the front sub harness, as I've never done it before, but I'm going to try to do it as clean as I can and be informative about it. So hopefully today will be a success. So hopefully this video will give you guys a lot of ideas and perspective to start a project and without any hesitation. With that being said, let's go ahead and start this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Put some comments in there if you have any suggestion. Yeah, so let's go and get started.
Daddy, say click the bell.
And click the bell. Alright, bye. Just got here. Yeah, what's up, bud? What's up, got the stuff out of the car. Gonna need that to start cleaning up all the greasing the front subframe. But I'm not sure if I've had time to work on that yet. But my mainly focus is basically getting the engine bay. So far, pretty much is cleared up. Except for the AC, like it still works. I don't want to mess with it. And so I've already messed with the electric harness, fuse box. Now I got to deal with the other side. Quick. All right, let's lay this thing down here. So here we are. So I guess from that side with the passenger side, take out the loom, the electric wirings, and going around this way, I went ahead and took out and unplugged the wires here from the inside and from the passenger side. Basically you're gonna need this tool, 10mm. There's a screw right here, and there's this thing right here is kind of sits down right here. It's mounted here. Take that out, unplug the wire right there, or the harness, whatever you call it. and then this thing will be on top right there, and then there's that little thing where you put it's mounted right there. I don't know if you can see my finger, but yeah, just kind of loosen that out. There's a little 10 millimeter and it just kind of slides down. But then again, I'd recommend for you to unplug it first while it's mounted. There's two right there that goes in there, so unplug that, and then you'll see there's a hole right there. You can see kind of chipped off some of the stuff that from the firewall, but that's really nothing. So yeah, and just pull it out from there. Go around here. So as you can see, I've already started pushing them out from that hole. So there's that. And that's pretty much it. Boom. And it is out. And all I have to do is just unclip this wiring loom right here, all the way across. And we're gonna work on that side too, so we'll see how that goes. I'll grab this right here. Make sure I get the right. And that should be out right there, ready to be loosened. Boom. Now next step is this, when you're taking out the wire, you might want to look into the grounds it goes to. Simple things, little things like this. Might want to try to put marks on them. For me, I'll brush them out just a little. That's what I use. And like this. And that might help in the future. Okay. I pretty much removed the wire. This area right here, I had to take off the plugs, the fuse plugs, the relays. Be very careful with the back wiring too as well, because of this edge right here, this area right here where you might have a problem with taking them out. But be patient. Don't want to rush yourself, and you always want to look into the wire right here, because it might just cut that or snap it. And this one right here, I also pulled this out too as well. I didn't remove this part. I know it's just gonna get through real quick. My plan is just to clean this up. As you can see, it's dirty. It's been sitting there for about over 25 years, so might even just relume it. Take your time, be patient. You know, you don't want to cut anything. Now, look at the engine bay. It's a lot cleaner. Just got to remove this area right here, this part, which is the clutch cylinder too as well. And that's pretty much it. Woo! It is hot today. Oh my gosh. I don't care about my hair, you know, but whatever. So today, pretty much just cleaning up the subframe. Kind of started out late today. As you can see, this is the front subframe here. Already sprayed some of the degreaser in there. Yep. Ooh. Alright, so here's the update on the corner that I wanted to tackle, to put a metal rust protector on these. Like I said, I'm going to be using the .415 on this one, just like what I did on the undercarriage as well. As you can see, some parts in there that I've already done before. Just need to continue it, and I know I was planning on to covering this area too as well, so pretty easy to do. I mean, you know, might as well, if you're going to do your undercarriage and if you're going to do your whole engine bay painted, you might as well go ahead and put some protection on this. It's just my own style, I guess. So for those of you who are wondering what the .415 is, it's pretty much a rust protector for any kind of metal. You don't have to do it just like what I did here, but I just want to get through some rust underneath the metal, and as you can see, they're all pretty much gone in there. I'm so excited, finally get to do this. So far, I've used the first coat. Doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of cover as much as you can. And just a light coat for the first coat. And then you can do it again for the second coat too as well. This is just basically, like I said, the purpose of this is just to protect brake fluid spilling and, you know, just getting rust in this area. So I didn't want the rust to expand. Just a state of mind, I won't have to worry about this. Now last thing what we got to do is engine bay paint after all the prep.